learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey yo, what's up? It is time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。等一下，我们要录音了吗？我手机嘞？你知道吗？没有手机会很恐慌
那你完了。
哎呀，是不是没有手机很恐慌，很没有安全感？
我不会啊。
真的吗？
这样好亲近啊。
我们是不是常常会找不到手机？
对啦，
对，有时候可能是放在隔壁房间，或者没带出门都有可能，然后就一定想要回家拿。
你就觉得有人会 call 你。
That is actually the subject of this month's Practical Hakka. When you can't find something, you're asking where it is. OK， 我们这个月呢刚好就要教这个很实用的句子，就是找不到。
找不到。
找不到 That means I can't find something like my cell phone. Where is it?
万一有人打电话一直要找你怎么办？
对耶，但是我跟你讲，现在还是教客语比较重要。有人要找我的话，他可以等，好吗？所以呢，我们要来教到底怎么说我手机找不到呢？ So let's teach you how to ask, Where is my cell phone? I can't find my cell phone.
我找不到手机耶。
我找不到手机耶。手机耶就是手机嘛，
哈，
手机耶 That means your cell phone. 手机耶 I can't find my cell phone. Okay, of course, we got to retract and see where we might have left it off. So maybe the person will ask, Did you leave it at home? 当然会去想是不是放在家里嘛，哈？怎么说？
那边的乌蛤蟆。
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 乌蛤以前教过，就家里嘛，在屋子里面吗？乌蛤 that actually means your house or home because I felt like I left it at home, right? 乌蛤，可是我想想看，刚刚还在用啊，所以不应该在屋子里啦，对不对？应该是在这某处的地方，这附近吧，这样子哦。It seems like I was just using it, so let's teach you this phrase. I was just using it. 我刚才还在用。
我给他喊的用。
我给他喊的用，喊的用就是。
还在用
还在用，我给他就是刚刚还在用哈。
对，
喊的用 that means I was still using it just now.
我给他喊的用，
我给他喊的用。And so it's got to be somewhere close by. 赶快回去找一下了哈。
对啊，
而且要赶快找到啊！真的。
那我打你的电话就好了嘛，就会响了，就知道。
对，好。That's a good idea. Alice just called me to find my cell phone. But let's teach you some of these phrases first in Hakka, like your cell phone, 手机。
手机耶。
手机耶 and then just using it, 还在用。
喊的用。
喊的用 and it's all about can't finding my cell phone or can't finding anything. 找不到怎么说呢？
找不到。
找不到，快点拨我的手机好不好？
马上
不想被人家接走啦。
OK
And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太感？
俺是谁张伟了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.